Hello everyone, welcome to Elixirs of Road Track, wherein we bring to you all the such stories of such road tractors who have contributed a lot to this organization and at the same time have achieved a lot in their personal and professional lives as well.
So, today with us, we have an enthusiastic team, the team HRD.
Hi guys, how are you all?
We're great. Yeah, great. How are you?
Even I'm great.
Hi, guys, can you all introduce yourselves?
Hi guys, this is Aditi Das.
Hi guys, this is Road Tractor Akshay here.
Hi guys, this is Road Tractor Ishan.
Hi guys, this is Rotractor Yashvi Gandhi.
So my first question to you all is how has the pandemic treated you all until now?
Uh, I'll go first. I think the pandemic has been in equal parts scary and equal parts calming because got to stay home all of a sudden. But at the same time, most of us were in the last year of graduation and all of that, so it was very uncertain for us as well.
The pandemic was, or most of the lockdown was really bittersweet me because I've always loved staying at home. But I've always loved staying at home alone, not with my parents, my brother, and everybody in the house. So usually the house is very quiet because everybody's working or either at school. I'm usually alone and I have my own chill time. But this lockdown really tested my patience and really tested as to how I stayed with them 24/7 without fighting a lot. We did fight a little, but not a lot. So it was a different experience for me. I've not been living with, I mean, for so long uh, with my family. I mean, like they have been working, right? So I've been alone for quite a few years now. So, yeah, I guess it was really nice though. We played a lot of board games. We played a lot of board games and we were super bored, but it was fun with them.
Great. What about you, Rishant?
Yeah, so like Akshay, I've also been staying alone for quite a years now. It's been almost 6 years that I've been staying over here all alone by myself. So yeah, it was a completely new experience because ठीक है boss, if we are staying alone still, you have someone to actually interact with them and you have to go out, you have to meet people, you have to meet your friends, you have to do road track, you have to do a lot of fun activities which you do, but initially it stopped and yeah, it hit hard, it hit all us hard. But yeah, initially we overcome and we adapted the whole situation as such. So, quite a good story till now.
Okay, so I'll start. So initially, the entire lockdown and the new way of living was really overwhelming. Where first yaar kab khatam hua, kab khatam hua. That was the scenario. But later, as time passed and we accepted the situation, I guess it was pretty good time with entire spending time with family, doing new things, and accepting the whole scenario. It was really fun. So fortunately, it turned out to be really positive for all of us, I guess.
Yeah, so as the lockdown began, and you all mentioned that you adapted quite quickly, even Rotaract tried to adapt very quickly, and it was not even the beginning of the year that time. So, my question is directed towards Rishant. You all can also answer, but like the first project was about dots, how the training sessions started. The lockdown just began and we didn't expect everything to go online so quickly. And so, how did you all adapt towards the online training so quickly? And you all started the training. The dots session was the first one. So, how was it, and how did you all manage it?
So initially, when lockdown happened, in I think so in the month of February, we got the news that there is something called coronaviruses actually came in. So we got it knowing about this whole coronavirus and what are the things that we have to do. Initially, we didn't thought that it will be spreading it so aggressively, but it did. So then we kind of change our strategy, like what type of events that we used to do on ground events. We have to do it and switch it over to something called online. So we got into a lot of things. We researched a lot of new applications. We found Zoom as one of the platform that where we can interact with people and probably conduct our training session over here. So that was the first thing that we found, that okay, we found a particular platform. Now we have to design the whole training program and set it for people so that they can probably get entertained, can learn, and probably also enjoy themselves with the fun of road track, because it's not just about getting knowledge and getting information, it's also about learning and experience. So yeah, initially we had dots, that was district officials training session, almost 26 hours of training and 102 participants who were there, because our council was almost 800 plus. So yeah, it was a completely, I think so, one of the best dots, because probably we didn't have so much of participation for a long time, as considered to the specific event called dots. And it was a first event, so everyone was very excited because new council has came in. Everyone was very enthusiastic, and probably they wanted to learn about road track and probably know about road track. Initially, everyone accepted that okay, there were some things that they didn't know about, particularly about road track, but yeah, they got to learn about things. So, yeah, that was about dots.
So yeah, like telling other people about it also was a challenge for you all. To tell them how to use the application was also a challenge. So that was a great task, obviously. But the next one, that is the bigger part, that everybody thought we would go outside, have fun in some other destination, outdoor. The most awaited, I can say, outdoor sessions, I can say. So that is the goals. So, how was it planning for goals? How it took over Zoom, all the presidents, secretaries, council members. It was a 3 day session, if I'm not wrong, and everything happened very quickly, I can say, or like it took. Obviously, the back end took a lot of time. So, how was it to manage it, and what were the challenges you all faced during that particular time, Aditi?
So firstly, it was not 3 days, it was 7 days. And it came as a major shock to the entire team because we were because the venue was already booked and we were looking forward to actually, we are planning it that way. But when it struck us that no, actually, we'll have to go online, then I think the first two problems that came to our mind was it because on an on-ground event, we can do a lot of activities and the time really doesn't pinch you, but when you're sitting at one place for a very long time, it starts to a person starts getting uncomfortable. And at that point of time, we as road actors, we also have a lot of like lectures had already gotten online, work was already online. So we were trying to look at it this way: ki the sessions should not get too heavy. So we were trying to you know incorporate the maximum the maximum amount of knowledge that not knowledge, I'd say things that people can learn in a very short time. So if you actually see, every goal session was not more than 1.5 hours, and that was the goal that we had throughout. And the second was the experience of it, because everybody who has attended goals till date knows that we probably make the best of friends during goals, and that was taken away from the council, the presidents, the secretary. So that's when randomly one day Ojas just threw this idea of Harry Potter, and it so happened that everybody in our team is a Harry Potter fan. So all of us just jumped on that bandwagon, and it was crazy. Honestly, it was crazy. Starting from the planning of every session, what should we incorporate, what should not be incorporated, should be more specific according to year. Should we have C money communication, this money what, even down to the PPTs were specially made because we wanted to give that entire Hogwarts experience. And Rishant, Akshay, Anush, Yashvi were crazy. They were like banging their heads about activities because I was like, activities mujhse nahi hoga, you guys handle the activities. And I am telling you, if these guys wouldn't have come up with the activities that they did, goals would have been an absolute flop. So I think that's that. And I mean, everybody, all of us had our own experiences of goals. So I think they'll be able to.
Anybody else want to give up some points about it?
One thing which I will always like about goals is that the start to end, how everything and by everyone it was incorporated with Hogwarts. like everything.
Yeah.
And even the things that we gave to the
Speakers.
our speakers was some or the other related to Hogwarts. So that was something like I was always like I got inspired through it. So,
Yeah, that
good
was
one.
like it was special. It made that moment for everybody special. तुम लोगों ने जो certificates भी दिया last में, everything. Yeah, that was like क्योंकि in the start when we thought कि अच्छा ठीक है अभी lockdown हो जाएगा 1 महीने में, it will get over, goals होगा कभी ना कभी होगा, and it got delayed and delayed and delayed, and then obviously can't wait that long. But you all did a great job, I would say. Like for the first year council members, I would say हमने expect कुछ और क्या, लेकिन उससे अच्छा ही हमारा experience था. We got to learn a lot from that. Yeah, moving ahead.
Moving on to the next question, it is for Akshaya and Yashvi. So, how did you all feel after completing the long marathon of the DTS, covering all the avenues and the endless Zoom calls which we had? Akshaya,
Akshaya's face is already like, oof, क्या ही बोलूं.
Yeah, I mean, DTS was something that it was decided that Yashvi and I will do DTS. So we had always imagined that DTS would happen. तब तक lockdown खत्म हो जाएगा, तब तक तो सब ठीक हो जाएगा. We would do an on-ground DTS. Suddenly we had to do it online, and we were so frustrated that already Goals and Dots has happened online. What more could we do? I mean, there was nothing creatively or content-wise for us to do more. So we were very, I could say, stuck at a point. What more could we do? So, but it happened. We did a 17 to 19-day long DTS. It was a marathon DTS. And the first DTS that we did was for core team members only. And then also we had hopes कि अब पहले core team खत्म कर देते online, then we do POD on ground. We had hopes. So first we finished up with the core team, and Yashvi and I, it will always be Yashvi and I's favorite because it was Friends themed, and we swear by Friends, it is our favorite. We were absolutely did not care about anything else except कि वो friends की तरह घुसा सकते हैं, वो ये content में ये friends का reference डालते हैं, and it was so fun for us to do also, and we did not even feel like we were working or putting in so much hard work because we were doing something that we like. After the core, again we found out कि BOD भी online ही होने वाला है, so it was very what more we can do, and I mean, yeah, we just pulled through and we did it. Yashvi will be able to explain much better what we actually did.
Yeah. So DTS being my first district project which I chaired, first thing, अगर अक्षर नहीं होती ना, मैं पता नहीं कितने होती. The way all the creative content ideas have come up, हर एक मैसेज में रेफरेंस देना, हर एक चीज को लिंक करना, oh my god, मैं नहीं कर पाती. Genuinely मैं नहीं कर पाती. And
we as
that
the
was the
social
best
media
part which
we as
we
the
loved.
social media team also couldn't do that, like इतना सोचना वो content के बारे में कि अच्छा हमको पता है, knowledge है friends का, लेकिन the way she told us कि नहीं caption में यही होना चाहिए, यही mention होना चाहिए, creative में भी यही दिखना चाहिए, that was like mind blowing.
Yeah, right from the captions to creatives to the forwarding message, everything had a Friends reference, and that is something watching Friends after 3 times, continuous all the series, I couldn't have done it. So Akshar. And the other part, ऐसे अक्षर ने बोला कि we were hoping कि second directors का dots हम लोग online करेंगे, but again हम लोग को वो offline करेंगे, हम लोग को online करना पड़ा. तो again हम लोग ने इतनी बार themes change किए, हम लोग Marvel करेंगे, हम लोग DC करेंगे, हम लोग ये करेंगे, हम लोग Oceans करेंगे, ये वो, but finally we came down to a random idea कि parallel universe में सब कुछ उल्टा कर देंगे, and all the crime scenes जो हम लोग ने इधर जो होता है उधर अलग, right from कौन सा क्राइम होगा उधर उन लोगों ने क्या गलत किया होगा, linking the crimes with all the avenues. Complete, it was a total fun. We were literally using our brains during lockdown, and जब लोग vanished कि क्या करें, we were actually doing something very productive. An entire team being not being a part, but सब लोग help कर रहे थे, and everything was very well. It was amazing. So, and we delivered the experience to others also, not just कि हम लोग ने मजा कर लिया, हम लोग का हो गया. It was like everyone enjoyed it. So yeah.
One more thing I would like to tell about just HRD is that तुम लोग हर एक event में एक theme जो लाते हो ना, ऐसा like no, I have not seen every event you do for every event, right? So you're all every theme like it is like वो बोलते हैं ना वो event वो particular theme से चिपक जाता है. It is attached to that, so everybody remembers. अच्छा हाँ, for this we did this. So that was really lovely. How you all like even the orientations, you have a galaxy theme for. Even creating stars had a theme with galaxy and everything. So yeah, for that I would say kudos to team HRD, how they planned every event like that.
And even with regards to the dots training session, the very first training session which was there for council members, it was, I guess, of Big Boss theme. And I remember Rishant was mimicking the voice of the Big Boss over there, and that was like really amazing. I'm like, कौन बोल रहा है पीछे से कहीं actual में कुछ सच्ची में कहीं से किसी को पकड़ के लेके आए क्या? Because the voice was very similar to what he was mimicking over there.
I think the entire magic of Dots was Rishant's voice being Big Boss and asking questions.
Can we have Rishant say something in Big Boss voice?
Yes,
Road Boss
please.
voice.
Yes.
Oh God. Big Boss चाहते हैं कि अगला क्वेश्चन जल्दी पेश किया जाए.
I mean, even the poise in his voice is bang on.
Like it sounds like that only. It's एकदम similar. So as Big Boss requested it, the next question is with the year almost coming to an end, a little while is left. So what will you miss about this council year, the Champions Council year? Aditi, Akshaya, anybody can answer.
I think so. This happens to be my last year in the council. Yeah, so I think I will miss the entire council experience in general. Especially all this. So even this, right? This virtual meeting that we are having, it's fun. It's like people that we have a conversation almost every day on our personal chats, but now we are doing something different. And this is something that I'll miss because usually college doesn't give you all this. Apart from that, from the council year, if I'll miss something is, of course, projects, making these crazy projects go online. Like you mentioned, the themes. I mean, this is something I'll miss about my team, especially, is sometimes I get so inspired looking at everybody working in their own zone. I mean, how does somebody come up with, like Yashvi said, like a क्या बोलते हैं, like an opposite universe, right? Where crimes are legal, right? How does somebody come up with something like that? If I had to name people I would miss, I think, of course, Ojas, Rishant and Ayushi. These are people I will miss because I think these are people I've spent the most time. Like Brat ke 12 baje, I've called Rishant. I've ranted. Listen, I'm going to my head is going to blast. And so I mean, these things are going to always stick with me, and these are the people I'll always miss. That's that.
Sweet. Akshaya?
So what I will miss about this year is, I think every year one thing has been consistent. Everybody deals with everything on their own and they have a different set of problems. This year, all of us had one thing in common. All of our problems were the same. We are trapped inside our house, not knowing what to do. So I think I'm going to miss that. I will miss talking about what we are facing right now together because it's so rare. I don't think any generation will face this for a really long time now. The entire world had the same problem. And all of us were just ranting about all of this, playing Ludo on Duo, doing God knows what. Have you ever imagined playing Ludo online? We wouldn't even play it like a board game at a family event also. So, I mean, yeah, that's the most that I'll miss about this year.
Rishant.
Okay, so yeah, Akshaya covered a lot. So yeah, obviously there are a lot of things that we did in this particular year. In terms of Rotrack, also we have doing a lot of new initiatives that being done, and it's nice to see that new things are coming up. New people have got into the council. We have met new people. I remember then first I met Sri Gauri had an event which was just a few months back. So that was a kind of interactive thing that I did after a lockdown. But yeah, so I think so meeting new people, it's one thing that particularly which happened in this year. Secondly, as an HRD, we always wanted that we have a dream team. Particularly, we had one. We can see that there are a lot of people when the council was announced, and I was seeing the who are the people who were there in the team, and I saw that okay, Akshay and Anush are there. Okay, they are the batchmates that are us. ठीक है, इन लोगों के साथ तो sort है. बाकी यशवी and I have met once. तो interaction था मेरे पास. So I was like pretty okay, yeah. Synergy, there is a synergy in the team, and particularly we killed it accordingly. And yeah, we did a lot of events. That was the main things that we wanted to do. Probably wanted to connect people. That was the idea of whole HRD team that particularly we wanted to do. And I always think that whatever we got from Rotrack, we can probably give it back. That was one thing that we could have done it, and we quite a bit, I think so we have succeeded in it. So yeah, pretty much this was the whole thing. And yeah, also mentioning about how house party and the other things that we have done in particularly lockdown, yeah, that remains a secret. Whatever happens in house party room, it happens in house party room also.
No secrets spilled here. Yeah, Yashvi.
So not only one thing, but there are a few things that I will miss. Out of which is, you know, and honestly, the team was, really like what we did in the initial days, like initial months, was something which we all learned something or the other from each other. So in spite of, not meeting in person, there was something or the other we were transferring from, the energy or the learnings or by execution, anything. And one other thing is that I'm going to miss staying home and, being able to attend all the meetings because they are online. And one positive thing which I feel about this year was that orientation हम लोग को online करना था. That was like we all were very positive, okay. One bad thing, but ठीक है, अभी घर से orientation करने जाना नहीं है किधर. But I don't know how the year would have turned out अगर सब कुछ online होता, offline hota. But yeah, so the year has been pretty well, and let's see if the council is yet to come. Like the council experience is yet to come. So yeah, it was good for all.
So as we move towards the end of this session, we'll be playing a very fun game, Never Have I Ever of the Rotract edition. We'll be presenting few questions to you all, and you all just have to present your plug card in front of us of whether you have been in that situation or have not. So the first question goes in this way, Anisha.
So the first question is, never have I ever given a reason so that I can skip the training session that I have been assigned to. I have. Rishant, being honest, किया है.
मतलब हम लोग भी honest ही है भाई.
Oh.
Next.
We have some secrets spilling already.
Whatever.
Yeah, next
Okay,
question.
moving on to the second question. Never have I ever wanted to hit a director as I had to explain him or her the procedure several times,
Hit?
especially
Hit?
during DTS
Like
sessions.
you're frustrated Vesa types. I have. Everyone is so frustrated. मतलब इतना बोल के.
Never have I ever wished that carrying out sessions online was much better than carrying them out offline.
Ooh. Never. Yeah. Oh, Akshaya prefers it online then.
I don't prefer it online, but there has been some sessions where I was like, they were too far. And then orientations. If I had to travel, I would already be so drained. But then online, it was much better for me because I give it online at home.
Okay. Next question is the last question. Never have I ever wanted to argue or hit my vertical head for not listening to my words or whatever you wanted to say. Never felt to argue. Oh, everybody.
Sorry, Zeus.
+1.
He might know that already.
Yeah, he does. बाद में बात तो हो ही गया था, but वो बोलता था जुजू यार समझ ऐसा वाला था, बाकी सब हो जाता.
Okay. Great, great, great.
So with this, we come to an end with the session of Elixirs of Rotaract with this episode. Thank you so much, our dearest team HRD, for being here with us today. And thank you to all the viewers who are watching this. Hope you all have enjoyed the session. Until next time. Bye.